Hello everybody, this is Eric, the goldsmith of Chastity Shop, and I'd like to show you the Shine Bright with cylinder lock with handmade silver padlock. This 14 karat gold key is set with 8 brilliant cut diamonds, each 0.03 carat in top quality, as you can see, with the lovely shining light. This one is in 14 karat yellow gold, and together with the handmade silver padlock, this goes to the customer. I will show you. When you have got two chastity devices, one with cylinder lock and one with padlock, you can select the handmade silver padlock to use the cylinder lock with the handmade key for a padlock. Here we are, in sterling silver, so you can use the silver padlock for your chastity device with padlock, together with the key for the cylinder lock. 14 karat yellow gold, the Shine Bright. This one is going to Turkey tonight.